Thank you for taking the time to join me once again. Sometimes I believe a property really benefits from a video to give you a better understanding to what that property offers. This is one of those places. Please follow me as I take you around Hillview, Mayors Lane. This property has a lovely feel about it. It feels homely, cosy, just a wonderful place to spend your time. And it being over 2,000 square foot, it really does have a lot to offer. Talking of places to spend your time, these grounds have so much going on. You have this barbecue entertaining area with this pitched canopy roof for those rainy summer days. There's also a Japanese infused part to the garden. You have two large lawn areas. There's multiple patios, ponds, a gym with a further outbuilding, and a host of plants, flowers and trees. It really is a great place to explore. And there's loads going on inside. This 21-foot kitchen comes with an Aga cooker, ample storage, you've got stone worktops, feature fireplace, and it leads to this 16'9" lounge with vaulted ceiling and stone fireplace. The master bedroom not only comes with a walk-in wardrobe, but also an ensuite. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a family bathroom. There's underfloor heating within the property. Outside we have an office area with adjoining family room. There's plenty of parking to the front and even an electric charge point. This is such a lovely place to be. Although the owners have lived here for a long time, hopefully you can really see the amount of love and effort they put into this property. Situated in a village location, you have local amenities, a local pub, and it's also not far from transport links, additional shops and parks. My name's Richard Burns, we are BOASTING, and I really look forward to showing you around this property soon.